In this video, I'm going to show you how to create dummy variable so we can assign numerical value to different categories of data. Let me show you what I mean. So if you take a look at the fuel type column, we have gas, diesel. If you take a look at the aspiration column, same thing, we have standard and turbo. We cannot use this one for statistical calculation. So we're going to assign number value to each variable so we can do calculation. So I'm going to start to create dummy variables for fuel type column. I'm going to assign name for this dummy variable. So I'm going to call it dummy variable 1 equal pd get underscore dummies df fuel type. Let me run this code and show you what you get. Say print dummy variable dot head. I'm gonna use 10. So hit Control B. There we go. We have diesel and gas. This is the dummy variable that we're gonna use it for the calculation. Now I'm gonna remove this. Then I'm gonna rename the column gas and diesel. Dummy variable 1 that rename columns fuel type dash gas comma fuel type diesel diesel comma in place true. Then we're gonna use def equal pd dot concat def dummy variable 1 comma access equal 1. Then def drop fuel type and place true. Now I'm gonna print the data set. I'm gonna print the first 10 rows. I'm gonna use the print df head 10. So if I hit run the code, hit Control B, you'll see that I create two columns with diesel and gas. But let me show you step by step how I create it. So I'm gonna uncomment this one code and I'm gonna run the code again. Hit Control B. Let's go up. First of all, we have fuel type here, gas and diesel. And if you go down, we added diesel and gas and we give 0101 for each. Now this code here, I will replace this column here with these two columns. So I'm gonna uncomment this one and hit Control B again. Now the fuel type disappear from the data or get deleted or replaced or renamed by new column of diesel and gas. Next, we're gonna do the same thing for aspiration. Since they have standard and turbo, we're gonna replace standard and turbo by also 01 and we're gonna rename column. All right, I'm gonna start from here. I'm gonna create another dummy variable. Dummy variable number 2 equal pd get same thing, get dummies, df, and this time I'm going to use aspiration, and then dummy variable 2 dot rename columns aspiration dot std td comma again aspiration dash turbo comma in place true. Then df equal pd concat def comma dummy variable 2 access 1 close parentheses and then df dot drop again we're gonna drop the column comma access in place true. Now if you hit Control B you will rename this column. We already renamed the fuel type so we're gonna add another two column here. Hit Control B. Oh, I got an error because of this. It's showing it should be equal sign. Sorry for that. Then hit Control B again. Now here we go. You have a four columns. Now diesel, gas, STD, and turbo. The fuel type and the aspiration renamed or disappear from the data set.